Qualsoft Systems Private Limited. An ISO 9001, 2008 company. In front of Jack and Jill School, Kotkat Gate Road, Aurangabad, 431003. Presence. Know Your Employee. KYE. An application which will assist you to find the best employee for your organization. It has been observed that HR department and senior employees of the company are required to answer the verification call and emails of third-party verification agencies. This solution is proposed to minimize the efforts of these employees, and also to assist them while selecting the new joining employee. Proposed application will help HRM team to identify fake applicants or the fake documents submitted by the applicants. Employer will able to know the details about the new joining anytime anywhere with his login, and will be able to know the details regarding him and his past experiences. This solution will definitely lowers down the required efforts to hire new people in any organization, and will surely increase the probability of finding the best. The need of third-party verification is eliminated, as the company can itself verify the credentials of new joining employee. Architecture of Know Your Employee application. This architecture diagram explains the entire flow of proposed system. Step first, an employee have resigned from the organization. Step second, HRM executive of previous employer will log in on Know Your Employee app to feed the required information as soon as employee have left the organization. Step third, job seeker have applied for job in new organization. Step fourth, applicant have submitted a set of documents to the HRM department of new employer. Step fifth, new employer will log in on Know Your Employee app to verify the documents submitted by new joining employee. Step sixth, HRM department will now have the accurate details about the applicant, which will assist them to hire the new employee. The sub-architecture of application. There is a centralized database, wherein all the information about employees, those who have resigned from some organization, will get saved. Any organization who are willing to retrieve the data about the new joining, and to feed data about the employees who have left their organization, needs to register first on Know Your Employee application. After successful registration, organization will be able to log in on Know Your Employee application. After login, any organization will be able to do following two tasks. 1. If any employee have left the organization, then using credentials, organization will be able to feed the data about the resigned employee. 2. As soon as the job seeker have applied for the job, and have submitted documents of experience, organization can verify the documents submitted by the job seeker. System design. The application is proposed and planned for the senior employees and HRM department of an organization. System design of KI will surely meet the design constraints and user-friendly approach. Following diagrams will show entire system flow and design. Home page. This is the home page of Know Your Employee application. There are following different elements available on home page. 1. Links for Home. Company information. Employee information. Contact us. 2. On the right panel there are two sections available. One for login. If the user is new to Know Your Employee application, then he have to register first with the sign up link, provided just after the sign in button. Using credentials, user get logged into the application. If the user have forgot the credentials, then he can retrieve the forgotten password with the help of forgot password link. Secondly, on this right panel there is one more section available named as info please, wherein user will be able to know how many organizations are having their resigned employees data on Know Your Employee application. 3. On the left panel of home page there is a quick description about the idea behind the proposal of Know Your Employee application, and some precious ideas and quotations from renowned HRM executives. At the end there are some footer information. Company registration. This form is designed for detailed company information. User is supposed to fill this form after successful sign up. User have to fill following information. 1. CIN, as user have already filled the sign up form, and have provided CIN information, user can search the company's CIN from the provided search button. Again, this given a security as it will prevent user to feed wrong CIN number. 2. Company name. 3. ROC, registrars of companies, appointed under Section 609 of the Companies Act covering the various states and union territories. 4. Registration number. 5. Company category, for example, category may be, company limited by shares. 6. Company subcategory, for example, it may be Indian non-government company. 7. Class of company, public or private. 8. Authorized capital. 9. Paid up capital, in rupees. 10. Date of incorporation. 11. Address details. This is how company will get registered with Know Your Employee application. Add employee information. This is the Add Employee Information form. HRM executive of logged in company will be able to feed the information about resigned employee using this form. User have to provide following information. 1. Name. Here comes employee full name. 2. Employee code. The unique code given to each working employee of any organization. 3. Designation. 4. Period of employment. 5. Reported to, name of reporting authority. 6. Eligible for rehire, if no then user needs to provide the details. 7. Reason for leaving, in detail. 8. Status of exit formalities. 9. Document status, genuine or not. 10. Some additional comments. 11. Verifying authority name. 12. Verifying authority designation. After clicking on Save Details button, filled information will get saved, and will be available for search. Employee information. This is the employee information section. In this section there are two important links available for user. 1. Add info. Using this link, user can add the data about resigned employee or employees. 2. Search info. Using this link, user can search the data about the new joining employee. Employee details. Whenever any new employee join an organization needs to verify the documents and experience details of new employee. Using this employee details form, user will be able to search data about the new joining employee. User have to provide following details, to search data about the new joining employee. 1. Company name, search button provided there to search the required company name, from a list of registered companies in Know Your Employee application. 2. Employee code, this will be the code which new employee have provided to the HRM department of new employer. After clicking on Submit button, if the data of given employee code is available then it will get displayed on the form, just after the Submit button, in a new section. Again, user will be able to save this information in portable document format and then can print. This is how an executive can search and verify document and experience details provided by the new joining employee. Mobile application. Project timeline. Following are the different phases involved in application development and implementation, with individual timelines. 1. Development. Will require at least 10 man-days to accomplish this task. 2. Test. Will require at least 25 man-days to accomplish this task. 3. Production. Will require at least 25 man-days to accomplish this task. Technologies used. .NET Framework. SQL Server 2012. Visual Studio 2012. SQL Azure. Thank you.